Hello students, how are you all? In last video, we have completed exercise 1.1 of rational numbers, and in this video, I am going to start exercise 1.2, and in this video, we will discuss few interesting properties of rational numbers. The points I will cover are to represent rational numbers on number line, and second point, insert few rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So ये दो पॉइंट हम डिस्कस करेंगे. एक तो है रेशनल नंबर को नंबर लाइन पे रिप्रेजेंट करना, और दूसरा है कोई भी दो गिवन रेशनल नंबर होंगे उनके बीच में कुछ रेशनल नंबर्स हम इंसर्ट करेंगे. करेक्ट? सो आई विल कवर क्वेश्चन 1 to 4. ओके, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज represent these numbers on the number line. Represent these numbers on number line. There are two parts, so I am going to solve both these. First is 7/4. Okay, now there is a very short and sweet method. You don't need to think anymore. This is 7/4. As you can see, it is bigger than 1. Why? Because it is an improper fraction. What is improper fraction? When the numerator is bigger than denominator, it is called improper fraction. Okay, so इसको देखने पे हमें ये फील हो जाना चाहिए कि नंबर लाइन पे ये नंबर 1 के आगे आएगा. ओके, हो सकता है 2 या 3 से आगे हो, बट इट इज ऑलवेज बिगर देन 1. सो द सॉल्यूशन इज ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन. ओके, देन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग द नंबर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द न्यूमरेटर. ओके, न्यूमरेटर इज 7, so we'll write the numbers up to 7 or 8. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doesn't matter. You can write up to 8 or 9. Okay. Now there is a denominator 4. Means this number is divided by 4. So we will divide all these numbers by 4. This is the simplest method to show this kind of rational numbers on number line. So if you divide 0 by 4, it remains 0. So no need to divide 0 by 4. Then just write 4 as a denominator below every number. Now you can see that this is 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, and hence this number is 7 by 4. So you can show 7 by 4 on number line by drawing a small circle around this point, or you can draw an arrow like this. It depends on you, but the answer should be in a proper way. Again you can see that this 4 upon 4 is 1. Okay, this is 1, this is 1 upon 2, means this is 0, this is 1, but you don't need to convert this into 1. You can see that this is half. So let the numbers be as it is, but you must know that the position of 7 upon 4 is correct on the number line. So how you can check? This is 0, this is 1, and in between 0 and 1 there is half, so it is half. In this way you can check your answer. So this is the simplest way to solve this question. Okay, pause the video and note it down. I am going to solve second part. Second part is minus 5 upon 6. Students, draw a number line. As you can see, the number is negative, so it will lie on the left side of 0 on number line. It is 0, and we will show this number on the left of 0 because all the negative numbers lie on the left of 0 on number line. Here again you will write numbers according to numerator, that is 5. So you have to write 1 2, right above the number line 1, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, okay, -5, -6 in this way, and 6 is the denominator, so put 6 as the denominator for every number. It is -1 upon 6, -2 upon 6, -3 upon 6, -4 upon 6, -5 upon 6, and -6 upon 6. Now the required number is this. Okay, show the number in a proper way on number line. So -5 upon 6 is here on the number line. Again you can feel that this number is -1 because -6 upon 6 is -1, and this number is -half. It is 3 upon 6. It is -half. So the position of -half is just between 0 and -1. It means all the numbers are correct, and this is the number which is required. Okay, so pause the video and note it down. Next question is question number 2. Represent -2 upon 11, -5 upon 11, and -9 upon 11 on number line. Okay, same method we will follow. As you can see, the denominator is same, so these three numbers can be shown on a single number line, means we don't need to draw different number lines. So solution is, here is a number line. As you can see, numbers are negative, so these numbers lie on the left of 0. We will add 0 here. Then the highest value is 9. Okay, 2, 5 and 9. So we'll write numbers up to 9 और 10. आपको 9 तक तो लिखना ही है, आप 10 तक भी लिख सकते हैं, बट ज़्यादा बिगर नंबर्स नहीं लिखने हैं. So start writing the numbers: -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9 and -10. Okay, let's check it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All right, the denominator is 11, so write the denominator below all these numbers. It is 11, but it becomes 0, so we never write denominator below 0. 2 upon 11, 3 upon 11, 4 upon 11. So one by one you have to write the 11 as denominator for every integer. Now you can see that where is -2 upon 11? This is the required number. Next is -5 upon 11. This is the required number, and finally -9 upon 11. This is our required number. So I hope it is very easy, means it is easiest. इससे easy तो कुछ हो भी नहीं सकता. So before starting the chapter I told you that even this subject is the easiest subject among all. Maths जितना easy subject कोई भी नहीं है, and this chapter is easiest. Okay, and I'm going to solve. So students, if you want to note, pause the video and note in your fair copy. Question number 3. Okay, it is write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. You have to write 5 rational numbers smaller than 2. This question is very easy. Okay, don't need to think anymore. 2 से smaller rational numbers पता करने हैं. So just think about the numbers which are smaller than 2. Doesn't matter it is positive or negative. Okay, so you can just write 0, 1. You can also write half also, 0, half, 1, and take some negative values also, because all the negative values are smaller than a positive value. आप कोई भी नेगेटिव वैल्यू कंसीडर करते हैं वो पॉजिटिव वैल्यू से ऑलवेज स्मॉलर होगी. So, कोई स्मॉलर वैल्यू भी ले सकते हैं आप, -2 ले सकते हैं एंड -100 भी ले सकते हैं. अल्टीमेटली देर आर इनफाइनाइट रेशनल नंबर्स विच आर स्मॉलर देन 2. 2 से स्मॉलर जो रेशनल नंबर्स हैं वो इनफाइनाइट होंगे, बहुत सारे हैं. बट आपको कोई 5 रेशनल नंबर्स मेंशन करने हैं, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, एंड द आंसर में भी डिफर पर्सन टू पर्सन. मीन सबके आंसर अलग हो सकते हैं, कॉपी नहीं करना है. आप और भी कुछ लिख सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट -3/2, -5/2. ओके, सो मेनी मोर आंसर्स आर देयर, बट यू हैव टू राइट एनी 5 रेशनल नंबर्स. सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ थर्ड क्वेश्चन. And finally question number 4. This question is very interesting and very important. The question is find 10 rational numbers between 10 rational numbers between -2/5 and 1/2. Okay, it means suppose this is a number -2/5 and here it is 1/2. just have basic idea. आपको ये सोचना है कि नंबर लाइन पे एक नेगेटिव नंबर है जो 0 के लेफ्ट में होगा और एक पॉजिटिव नंबर है जो 0 के राइट में होगा. सो यू हैव टू इंसर्ट 10 रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन दिस. मीन्स इनके बीच में आपको 10 रेशनल नंबर्स बताने हैं. सो what is the method? There is a role of denominator. Okay, these denominators are not same. If denominators are same then it will be easier, but these are not same. So what we have to do, just take the LCM. So LCM of 5 and 2 equals 10. So we take the multiple of 10, because अगर हम 10 को कंसीडर करते हैं तो रिक्वायर्ड रेशनल नंबर मिल भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी मिल सकते, बट 10 का भी मल्टीपल लेते हैं और उसको कंसीडर करेंगे तो हमें सफिशिएंट नंबर्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर इजीली मिल जाएंगे. नाउ वी हैव टू मेक द डिनोमिनेटर 20 इन बोथ द केसेस. इट मीन्स -2/5 इज इक्वल to make the denominator 20 we have to multiply it by 4. So we will consider 4/4. Now the number is -8/20. Similarly 1/2 can be written as, how to make 2 as 20? So multiply this by 10 and write the fraction 10/10. It is 10/20. Okay, as you can see it is 1/2 and it is -2/5. Now we have two rational numbers and whose denominator is same. Now you can easily write 10 rational numbers between these. Just think any 10 numbers which are lying between 8 and 10. आपको 20 के बारे में नहीं सोचना है, न्यूमरेटर्स को कंसीडर करना है -8 और 10. So think about any 10 numbers. Easily you can find. You can start with -7, -6, -5, -4, 3 and 0 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write 4 more rational numbers. So after 0 you can write 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. You can consider numerators up to 10. So it is 1/20, 2/20, 3/20, and take a nearest number that is close to 10/20. So it is 9/20. So count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Students, this is the answer of this question. Now I think I should explain it again. देखिए आपको सबसे पहले एलसीएम लेके डिनोमिनेटर को इक्वल करना है, देन सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर को ही कंसीडर करना है, -8 एंड 10 ऑन द नंबर लाइन। -8 एंड 10 इन दोनों के बीच में बहुत सारे नंबर्स हैं, बिकॉज -10 जीरो के लेफ्ट में होता है और 10 जीरो के राइट में होता है, तो बहुत सारे न्यूमरेटर्स आपके पास हैं. नाउ यू कैन मेक several rational numbers. So we will consider numerators between -8 and 10. All these numerators lie between -8 and 10, and put 20 as the denominator everywhere, and this is the answer. Okay. Now I hope you felt that this exercise is easiest I mean to say. Okay, so you have to do your homework sincerely, and if you have doubt you can ask in doubt section. Okay students, enjoy at your home, stay healthy and stay safe. Have a good day.